If you had asked me about some of these things 10 years ago, my answers would probably have been different. But like they say, with age comes maturity and a little bit of sense. Now that I'm in my 30s, there are so many things I see differently. About friendships, relationships, money, confidence, and even how I treat myself. So today, I'll be sharing some girl-to-girl advice. Scratch that. I think I would rather call it a big sister pep talk because I'm referring to those in their 20s and below. Like I mentioned, this is a big sister pep talk from someone in her 30s. I know I have a lot of younger viewers here going by my analytics, so yeah, this video is for you. These are the kind of lessons I wish that someone sat me down and told me earlier. Some of them might be things you already know, while some might be things you are still learning. Right? Regardless, let's get into it. Hey y'all, Chantel here, the curator of this channel, and today I'm wearing my big sister cap. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you like what you see already and you're a newbie, please do well to join the Chantel Nation family by clicking on that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. So whenever I post, you can't miss my insightful video. Also give the video a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoy watching it. Alrighty, thank you so much. Mwah. Number 1, peace is more valuable than being right. There was a time when I felt the need to always explain myself or win every disagreement. But as you mature, you realize that some arguments are simply not worth your energy. Protecting your peace becomes far more important than proving a point. Number 2, consistency will take you further than motivation. Yeah, motivation is exciting, but it is temporary. The real results in life come from showing up consistently, whether it's in your finances, in your health, in your business, in your career, or just your personal growth. These small habits you repeat daily eventually shape your life. Number 3, not every friendship is meant to last forever. When we're younger, or when I was younger, I believed that all my friends will always be in my life. What a naive way to think. But as you grow, people change, priorities shift, and sometimes the friendship just doesn't evolve in the same direction. That doesn't mean anyone did something wrong. Sometimes people were simply made to be part of a chapter of your life, not the whole book. Learning to enjoy your own company is a powerful form of independence. Once you're comfortable being alone, you stop tolerating friendships and relationships that are not healthy, that no longer serve you. Number 4, comparison will steal your joy. In your 20s, it is so easy, especially in this social media age, to compare your life with everyone else. Someone is getting married, someone is buying a house, someone else is traveling the world. But as you mature, you realize that everyone's timeline is different, and constantly comparing yourself only makes you feel behind. Number 5, please protect your energy like it's currency. Your time and your emotional energy are limited resources. Not every invitation deserves a yes. And not every conversation deserves your attention. Learning to guard your energy is one of the biggest forms of self-respect. Number 6, financial independence is powerful. Money itself is not everything, but financial independence gives you choices. It gives you the freedom to walk away from situations that no longer serve you, and also the ability to create the life that you want, not on someone else's terms. I was speaking to my best friend the other day and I told her that in this life, one of the most important prayers anyone has to pray is that I pray that my life is not dependent on someone else's purse or someone else's terms, because the restriction that comes from that, I don't even need to live it to understand it. So try to work on your finances. Start small. It doesn't have to be big. Like I mentioned prior, consistency is everything. Number 7, confidence comes from self-awareness. Real confidence does not come from external validation. If that was the yardstick, a lot of us will not be confident, because growing up in Nigerian homes, if you know, you know. It comes from understanding yourself, knowing your strengths, knowing your flaws, and feeling comfortable in your own skin, loving yourself unapologetically. Number 8, you do not need to explain every decision. This kind of mirrors the first point, but I'm going to delve deeper with this point or with this number. When you were younger, you might have felt the need to justify your choices to everyone or anyone that needed to hear it. Family, friends, even strangers. But as you mature, you realize that not everyone needs access to your reasoning. Yeah, I can do what I want to do, whatever, whenever, however I want it. And I don't need to explain that myself to anybody. There are just very few people in this world that I owe an explanation. And as I grow older, the list reduces. You get me? Number nine. Taking care of your body is non-negotiable. In your 20s, a lot of you take your bodies for granted, and that is not a bad thing. You're still learning and unlearning. Eventually, you will realize how important sleep, exercise, nutrition, and regular health checkups really are. Your body is that organ that carries you through life. It deserves all the care. Number 10, life is not a race. I know there's a lot of pressure in your 20s to have everything figured out. I've been there. Career, relationships, finances. But the truth is, most people are still figuring things out well into their 30s and beyond. Everybody is still figuring something out. Don't let anyone bamboozle you into thinking otherwise. Number 11, being desperate for marriage can lead to the wrong partner. This point is something many women don't talk about openly. When marriage becomes a deadline instead of a decision, it can push people to ignore the red flags. Also, being in the wrong marriage can be far more difficult than being single. Argue with me in the comments if you want to. Choosing the right partner matters more than choosing one quickly. Please take the time to fall in love with your authentic self so that you do not have to settle. Number 12, boundaries are not rude. Setting boundaries doesn't make you difficult. It simply means you understand your limits and you are willing to protect them. You are entitled to that. Number 13, social media is not real life. There was no way I was going to end this video without this point. Most people you watch on social media and you aspire to be like, I'm not saying it's bad to have someone as an inspiration, but most people share their wins, not their struggles. They share their highlights, not the BTS. Comparing your everyday life to someone else's curated moments can create unrealistic expectations. So please stop it. Number 14, which is very dear to my heart. This point, very, very important. The way you speak to yourself matters. The way you talk to yourself when no one else is watching, no one else is with you, you're just alone with your thoughts. Your inner voice influences your confidence and your decisions. Learning to speak to yourself with kindness and love changes how you approach life in general. Number 15, which is the last point in this video, and this cuts across every age. It's not just for the 20s viewers. You can reinvent your life at any time, at any stage, at any age. Your 30s are often when many people finally figure out what they truly want. But starting over or changing that decision is not failure, it is growth. You can start over as many times as you like, as long as you still have breath in your lungs. Don't relent or don't just sit back and say, oh, I'm a failure, this did not work, then nothing else will work. You never know, because we don't see the future, so we can't tell. We just have to keep trying and trying different things to see what works for us. Life as we know it is not easy. As long as you are alive, you just need to keep striving. You need to keep pushing. Right? We stop pushing when we are 6 feet under. A bonus point that I thought I wanted to remove it from my script, but I'm like, this is very important and I like it. That is, being older is a privilege, not a curse. A lot of people see being older as one I don't even know, as one curse, as like something that it causes them anxiety. They don't even want to think about it. Society often makes women fear aging. It just induces that fear in us. I see my mom now and I'm like, wow, I aspire to be as hot as she is when I'm her age. right? I don't have that fear of aging. Right now, I'm already starting to see gray hairs on my hair. And to me, it's a blessing. It's a privilege to be able to live to this point in good health. And I'm doing well. So I think that should be your case as well. And for this point, I'm not just centered on the 20s gang or below 30s gang. Everyone. You see people going to extreme measures just to slow down or cancel out that process. You cannot cheat nature. Anyhow you want to do it, you can't. They quickly forget that with age comes clarity, confidence, and a deeper sense of who you are. Please, that should not be your case, okay? The older I get, the more I realize that life is not about having everything figured out. It's about learning, evolving, and becoming wiser with each season of your life. I'm curious, if you're in your 30s, 40s, or even 50s and above, what's one life lesson you learned that you wish you knew earlier? And if you're in your 20s watching this, which of the aforementioned points stood out to you the most? Let me know in the comments. Alrighty, thank you all so much for watching. I decided to keep this video very short, just straight to the point, so that it will enter well. Because I know that our attention span keeps reducing by the day. It's not our fault, it's the era we live in. If you enjoyed watching, please signify by giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a comment in the comment section, sharing it with your family and friends, and becoming a Chantel Nation verified member by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon next to the subscribe button, so whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to get my notification. If this is your first time here, please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me welcome you properly as a VVIP that you are. All right, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you got value from this video. Until I come your way again, don't forget to stay amazing. Bye, y'all.
Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. Chantel Nation.